Hi, my name's Sham from the Waterside Holiday Group, and today I am here at Bowleaze Cove Holiday Park and Spa, and I have got this lovely end location plot with a holiday home that I want to show you around. Before I take you into the holiday home itself, I just want to show you one lovely feature of this holiday home where you can see this little stream running past alongside the holiday home. Not only are we a stone's throw away from the facilities, but it's a really hidden little spot. The first thing you see when you walk into this holiday home is the really nice breakfast bar, a dining table and 4 chairs. So we also have this really modern, cozy sofa with a pull-out sofa bed. So this holiday home, even though it's a 2-bedroom, it sleeps up to 6 people using the pull-out. You've got a really modern TV surround, lots of storage above and below with the nice central heating that you can see here. So one thing you can see from inside the holiday home, just to clarify, these are lovely big windows, not doors, but from this right side, you've got the view of the River Jordan going past you. So coming into the kitchen, you've got this very modern, well-appointed kitchen with your gas cooker, oven and hob, and you also have a slimline dishwasher on this side. And then when you come over to this side, you have your built-in microwave, fridge, freezer, full size, with your boiler and some more storage. Then the first door on your right, walking to the back of the holiday home, you've got a really nice twin bedroom, 2 single beds and lovely wardrobe storage space. Then you have the shower, toilet and wash hand basin. And as you come to the end of the holiday home and you see this master bedroom, not only have you got under bed storage where the bed lifts up, you've got lots of overhead and a separate wardrobe before you actually get to your own ensuite toilet. So I would highly recommend coming and viewing this holiday home for yourself, because I can't imagine this will stay available for long. Give us a call on 01305 836 836 or just click the link to our website.